Welcome! In this quick and updated tutorial, I'll show you exactly how to make a Discord invite link expire after 12 hours. This is a great way to keep your server links private and secure, especially if you only want access to be temporary. Let's get started. First, open Discord on your device. You can do this on either desktop or mobile, depending on what you prefer. The steps are nearly the same. Once Discord is open, head straight to the server where you want to create the invite link. Next, tap the server's name at the very top of the screen. This is where the drop-down menu will appear with all your main server options. From there, select Invite. This will take you to the panel where you can create and share custom invite links for your server. Now, before you send the link, we're going to edit it so it expires automatically after 12 hours. Look for the option that says Edit Invite Link and tap it. This is where you can fully customize the link's settings, including how long it lasts and how many times it can be used. Under the section labeled Expire After, choose 12 hours. This means your invite link will stop working automatically after 12 hours from the time it's created. It's perfect for limited time events or when you just want to make sure old invite links don't stay active.